The RX8 is a unique sports car from Mazda that was produced from 2003 to 2012. It was the successor to the popular RX7 and was marketed as a pure sports car that was designed for the driving enthusiast. During its run, Mazda produced several limited edition versions of the RX8, including the Spirit R, which was only available in Japan and featured further suspension tuning and a unique exterior colour. The other limited edition models include the 40th Anniversary Edition and the Shinka Edition. One of the most distinctive features of the RX8, along with its predecessors, is the rotary engine, commonly known in the RX8 as the Renesis. The Renesis is also known by its engine code 13B multi-side port, or MSP for short. The power output is between 189 and 238 horsepower, depending on the model. In 2003, the Renesis won International Engine of the Year and won in the category Best New Engine. In terms of performance, the RX8 is a capable and agile car that is fun to drive both on the street and on the track. It has a well-balanced chassis and responsive steering that makes it easy to push to its limits. However, the rotary engine's power delivery can be challenging to manage for the inexperienced drivers, as it requires the driver to keep the higher revs to produce its peak power. Another standout feature of the RX8 is its unique four-door design. The rear doors on the RX8 are smaller and hinged at the back, also known as suicide doors, which can make it easier for passengers to get in and out of the back seat. The downside to this design being on such a small car is the front door must be opened first and closed last due to the overlap of the rear door. My RX8 is a 2003 manual. It is mostly standard with only a coil pack upgrade, a catback exhaust and a lightened flywheel. I picked up the car with a damaged internal oil ring. The engine required a rebuild and got South Coast rotary seals and solid corner seals. Overall, the RX8 is a unique and capable sports car that offers distinct driving experience for those who are looking for something different from the norm. Its rotary engine and four-door design make it a standout from the crowd, while its performance and handling are sure to impress driving enthusiasts. The RX8 is sure to be a future classic. I do need a name. If you have any suggestions, drop them in the comment section below.